Hey, what is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. I got my friends in the background here. We are shooting a video today, and what we're going to be doing, I've been trying these different money-making ideas. Some of them are good, some of them are not good, but it seems like you guys really enjoyed them. Like I did one completing online surveys, or like trying random money-making apps. So today, I'm going to be spending the day collecting bottles and cans off of the street or wherever I can find them, and then we'll cash it out at the end of the day and see how much money you can actually make collecting cans and bottles. So if you guys like this style of video where I'm documenting like different money-making strategies in real life, go ahead and drop a like on this video just so I know. And if you have an idea for a future video, leave me a comment down below. But I hope you guys enjoy this one. Got some seltzer bottles in here that we'll start out with. Yeah, you know, you just gotta find cans or bottles wherever they may be. So I've only got 2 in here, but we started off with 10 cents on the day, so we'll see where else we can find some cans and bottles. So Jake, let me just get your prediction here. How much money do you think we're gonna come up with by the end of the day?
Say about $6.
$6. Rob, what do you think?
50 cents.
50 cents, we already have 15, so that's only like 35 more cents.
40 cents.
You think 40 cents? Okay. My prediction personally, and what we're gonna do as well, whatever we make in cans, that's how much we can spend on dinner. That's the other, I don't think I told you guys that, but
no.
Yeah, that's part of it too.
Yeah, I know. $20.
$20. Well, I think we're gonna end up with like 2 trash bags, maybe a trash bag and a half full, and that's probably gonna get us like $7 or $8. We'll be hitting the dollar menu at like Wendy's probably. So to add to the video, since we may be possibly, you know, walking in roadways and whatnot to find cans, we decided to pick up some hard hats and vests just to have that high visibility. So we're gonna be assembling these now and putting them on. Feeling pretty ridiculous right now, to be honest with you. I didn't realize how dumb you would feel wearing a construction hat and vest.
I mean,
but
this says a lot about construction workers.
I mean, I guess
Poor
I feel I
guys
have a sense
get
of,
ridiculous
I feel like I have a sense of authority. Like I could stop cars or like measure things, but we got a potential for some cans here, maybe in the ditch. So we're gonna go check out the ditch. Jake, I think I'll have you go in if you don't mind and scope it out for us.
I see something back there too.
Really? All right, we got our first can. We got a bottle. All right, can you grab this can for us?
I'm gonna grab the can.
We got our first actual can.
Oh God, that's like.
Is it full? Oh, this is gonna be disgusting.
I really hope that's whatever the drink is and not.
That's a really good point. Either way, 5 cents.
Got it.
And then we got a water bottle over here.
All right, so this one we're gonna have to be a little careful with because the label's falling off. So.
Yeah, we should be able to return it as long as the label's still on.
So we need to keep those labels intact. In my experience of my younger days, I know that I would definitely be over
in the baseball field if you were drinking.
Yeah, I'd be over on that picnic table over there away so my dad couldn't find me.
All right, let's go scope it out, take a look. Oh yeah, that picnic table looks like it's got some potential. We got some bottles here, a bit of a treacherous location. You always want to watch out for these occupational hazards when you're in the workplace. But yeah, we got a Powerade bottle. This is old. I wonder if we'll be able to accept these. And we got a Gatorade bottle, so it's pretty good find. Ooh, that thing's leaking.
Ooh man, it's Diet Cola.
Diet Cola. Uncrush it a little bit.
Yeah, just try to do that a little bit. Man, I don't know.
I don't know.
I've never even seen that can before in my life.
Probably from before our time.
Right.
All right, so it's been like 40 minutes since our last discovery, but we just found a water bottle. So far, I think we have maybe 8 or 9, maybe 10. So we really got to step these numbers up if we're actually trying to have like anywhere near a decent meal tonight.
I'm starving.
But yeah, we got like maybe 10 at most bottles and cans so far. I think we need a new location. What do you guys think?
Absolutely.
You think we need a new location? We just pulled in. We already see like 7 or 8 cans just from the visual. So this is going to be a gold mine.
Found one in the car.
Yeah, we actually did. We found one while we were driving down. This is a WD-40 can. That's the wrong kind of can. We were driving by and we just pulled over the car and just grabbed a can. So it's probably not the safest thing, but yeah, it seemed all right. There's like 4 cans back here by this nasty porta-john.
It's a Candom.
Ew.
It's a Candom.
Just get the cans and leave the
the condom?
No, that doesn't. There's no refund on that.
You sure?
Yeah, pretty sure. This is a gold mine. There's like this is full of cans. There's like 9 cans in here. I mean, we're gonna have to take these cans.
Oh yeah, baby.
We're gonna have a full bag already. Yeah, I don't want to dig through it. This appears to be recyclable. Yep, 5 cent deposit, 5 cent deposit. Gold mine, dude, gold mine. Did you ever think you'd be picking cans out of the trash, Jake?
I mean, not for actual currency.
Just a couple of boys out here collecting some cans. Average Saturday afternoon. So if you look closely, we're coming up on a couple of, oh, it's actually just one big boy. It's a big Bud Light.
It's a tall boy, yeah.
It's a tall boy. That's a 24 ounce. It's a big beer. We're actually doing all right now. I think we got like, maybe we're up to a buck.
All right, you got to be really quiet. Sneaking up over here on a can in its natural habitat of the culvert. Get him. Oh, God. Yeah, he's full.
He's full.
All right.
You scared the juices right out of him. All right, let's cross and check out the boat launch. So I think we'll do well at the boat launch. I'm gonna throw you this can, all right? Or this bottle. Absolute gold mine here. This guy had probably like a 12 pack of PBR. This is really getting to be like.
I don't want to dig too far.
Yeah, I'll grab what's on the surface.
There's like an owl pellet sitting there.
What is that?
It's.
Oh, that's just not right.
It's just gross.
I'm just gonna grab what's on the surface here. Then I want to go wash my hands because this is getting pretty gross. But how can you turn down these easy ones?
Turn down this precious can.
Oh my God! There's a bag full of Miller Lite cans at the bottom. Yeah, no, it's just gross. It's getting gross.
You don't want to risk.
Who's going after it?
If it was a little warmer, I think I'd jump in.
15 bucks for the can.
Ryan and I will both give you $15 each.
No, because then we have to end the video and go home because you're going to be freezing.
We're probably a little over halfway full.
All right, so as the day has gone on here, we've gotten lazier and lazier, and now we're attempting to find cans by drive-by. So we're in this parking lot where people often are tailgating. So we are hoping to find some cans and bottles, but maybe they do a pretty good job cleaning this up because I'm not seeing any yet. But we'll check it out. We'll go around the whole parking lot. Do you ever think this is what you'd be doing at 24?
No.
Get him. Get in there. Yeah. Is that a double?
Found it.
All right, so we are deep in the woods now, but we just hit the mother lode. There's probably like 7 or 8 cans scattered about here. So this is like the jackpot of a bottle and can collector. This is what you're looking for. This is what it's all about right here. Just money just growing on trees in the forest.
Go to concert venues.
Go to concert venues. A lot of blue cups too, but lots of cans and bottles. We almost got 2 full bags here, dude. Oh, another one.
Something definitely died down here.
You just getting a whiff of that too?
Yeah, it smells. Yeah, like something died.
Let me just go down and get those 2 water bottles and then. Actually, no, this smells really bad down here.
Yeah.
Oh my God, it smells horrible down here.
Dude, probably something dead, like right over here.
That was not beer. That was not beer in that can. That was something else. I dropped it.
Yeah?
Yeah, that's good.
Oh boy.
That's good.
Alright.
Alright guys, so we got 2 bags of cans. I would say we probably have close to like maybe 75 to 100. And they smell so bad. So we're gonna cash them out and see what we got.
This is the one. This is the one that smells like literal death.
They're so bad.
I don't think they take.
Alright, so our first slip here is for 30 cents. Second slip is for 5 cents, so we're up to 35 cents. The big one here, $1.55, so that puts us at $1.90. And then we have a 55-cent slip, which puts us at $2.45, and a 25-cent slip. So we have altogether $2.70 from an entire day of collecting cans and bottles. The guy was very nice and let us wash our hands because we must have picked up cans that had a dead animal in them or near them because it was disgusting, to put it that way. Yeah. But let's go see what $2.70 can buy us here for some dinner.
Right. That's
even cheaper.
That's if you're a price shopper person.
I'm not a price shopper person.
You have the thing. You have the.
Oh well, yeah. Well, they can probably just use the store card.
Which flavor?
Raspberry blackberry.
I'm down with that.
So that's 70 cents. This was $1.19, so that's $2. We got like 60 cents left.
60 cents.
No.
You know you gotta open those slow.
No.
Come on, man.
Did you get that on video at least?
Almost. No, I got like the tail end.
Oh, damn it. It's one of those sweetened seltzers. I'm going to have ants.
Oh, God. We have ants. All right. Well, we did it.
I just spilled this all over myself. So we ended up spending exactly $2.70. I don't know how we even managed that, but we spent $2.70. We got a seltzer and we got a large Kit Kat, and I spilled the majority of the seltzer all over myself just now.
So crazy how that just like worked
Exactly
out like that.
$2.70.
Yeah.
But all in all, not a great way to make money at all, I would say. In fact, a really bad way to make money.
Right.
But I mean, I guess we cleaned up the environment and got some cans out of the woods. But other than that, it's not something I'd recommend to anybody. With that being said, that wraps up this video. If you guys have any more money-making ideas, drop them in the comments below. Jake, thanks for coming on. I'll have you on again, and see you guys in the next video.